These little heart ornaments are fun to make, and they use just a few simple supplies, so let me show you how to make them. For this project, you will need colored paper, note cards or cardstock, a pencil, scissors, glue stick, and monofilament or fishing line. To start, make a heart pattern out of your note card or cardstock. If you have a cookie cutter or another shape you can trace, that would be great. I'm just going to freehand mine here. It's going to be about 1.5 inches long. Cut out the pattern. Use a glue stick to completely cover a note card or cardstock. Stick the note card onto your colored paper. I've got double-sided origami paper here, so I'm going to make one with the pattern on the front and one with the color on the front. Smooth it down really well and then cut around the edges. Now trace around your heart pattern. You need 3 of each. Cut out the hearts carefully. They need to all be exactly the same size. Fold each heart exactly in half in the middle with the right side facing inward. Now it's time to glue the heart together. So take one heart and cover half of it completely with glue stick on the back. Choose a heart from the opposite color and stick it on, making sure that you line up the edges evenly. Smooth it out with your finger and then repeat the process by putting glue stick on half of a heart and gluing on the opposite color. Continue gluing the hearts together until you have one heart left. Cover the back of the last heart completely with the glue stick. Fold a piece of your fishing line or monofilament in half and then place it inside the heart with the cut ends facing down, coming out of the bottom of the heart just a little bit. Stick the last heart in place, sandwiching the fishing line inside. Make sure that there's plenty of glue on the seam of this last heart and press it together, smoothing it all out so that everything sticks together and the fishing line will stay in place. Trim off the ends of the fishing line close to the bottom of the heart and then trim any edges where the cardboard is showing. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.